When is the best time to service your furnace? Is it time to have your furnace serviced? You don't want it to lose steam during the coldest months of the year. You'll also save money by inspecting your furnace before the winter. HVAC experts recommend doing a furnace winter check before the temperatures drop in Denver, Colorado. Call early to schedule it so that the inspection and any necessary repairs can be completed by October or November. It's important to conduct furnace maintenance again in the spring. After it's been running for a season, the furnace might have some wear and tear. In the summer, your furnace circulates air from the air conditioner, keeping you comfortable. Therefore, it's important to perform air conditioning maintenance before the next heat turns up. Call Dr. Fixit Plumbing, Heating, Cooling, and Electric at 720-797-7373 or visit calldrfixit.com to schedule your furnace maintenance.